Hi, my name is Wade Stein. I'm a Precision Ag support rep for CMB Operations, and in this segment we'll be going over the CMB Precision Ag app. Alright, so inside the CMB Precision Ag app we have the Contact Us page. So if we click that, we can use this to call the CMB Support Center. So it's just a click to call option and a brief description of the support center plan. Then we can use it to view CMB events as well as CMB videos and John Deere videos and how-to videos. Then we can also view the CMB RTK Network. So if we click on that, this will be a view of all the CMB RTK Network towers, so you can view into your certain area. And you can click a tower and you can click on it at the bottom and it'll give a description of the tower and the tower number. For the Iowa customers, if you click on an Iowa tower, it will also have the frequency number along with the tower number. Then we'll go into FarmSight packages, where it'll have our data service packages for all regions. We'll have your basic and advanced data package subscription. Then go into FarmSight services for all regions. It'll just list all the FarmSight packages that CMB Precision Ag team has to offer. And then go down into agronomic decision and support. It'll show the FarmSight packages for that as well. And we'll go into quick guides. Here you can view how-to guides on how to calibrate, as well as how to just download a prescription file or just how to use the Operations Center. So just click on Operations Center Tools Guide here. And here it'll just be an overview of how to set up an account and how to use each tool in Operations Center. And if we'll click on Yield Calibration Guide, it'll show you how to calibrate your yield monitor. And then we also have how to load RX file to a display. So we click on that. It'll walk you through how to upload your prescription file to your Gen 4 display, as well as many other guides. We also have a link to CMB Central, so you can log in to your CMB Central account through this app. You can view CMB's used equipment as well as our used AMS equipment, 2 buttons. Also have a John Deere how-to videos. So if we click on John Deere Precision Ag how-to, it'll have the latest John Deere how-to videos for the Precision Ag products. As well as it also has SeedStar application, seeding and planters and combines as well, how-to guides. Also have software release notes for the Gen 4 and Gen 3 2630 display, as well as the 6000 receiver. So it'll show the latest updates for the Gen 4 display as well as the Starfire 6000 receiver. And there are also install instructions for your Gen 4 display and for your Starfire 6000 receiver. So if you're having trouble, you can use these guys to help you out. Also just have more John Deere links to Stellar Support, AMS manuals, Answer Center, simulators, the Precision Ag website, John Deere Precision Ag website. And we'll go into Satellite Predictor. You can use this to see how the satellites are doing in your area in a certain range of time. And then we also have the ability to view the CMB promotions, locations, and also the CMB employment opportunities. Thanks for watching. In this segment we went over the CMB Precision Ag app, where we viewed the quick guides, RTK map and videos. For more information, you can contact your local C&B store or the C&B Precision Ag Support Center at 507-200-3060.